First of all, give me a revision, whatever we have done today. Tell me. Then we'll start about the spring.
So basically, we went over potential energy, and we also went over the specific formula for that.
Okay?
And then we also went over for the linear kinetic energy formula and found its derivative.
Very good.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
What happens in the descending and ascending?
For which one?
When we project a ball in upward direction.
Like upward descent. What do you mean? Like you asked descending, ascending.
Ascending.
Like what do you? So when you throw a ball upwards,
Yes. Yes.
I don't get. Like you're asking when it comes down, or
When it goes upward.
because ball. Oh, when you throw the ball upward, like when. So you're asking what happens.
Yes. In terms of
So
energy.
during like the ascending phase, it like the ball kind of slows down when you throw it up because gravity is kind of acting against the ascending motion.
Yes,
And
but
then
the main thing is initially it was having some kinetic energy, right? But potential energy was zero.
yeah,
But as soon as
yes,
it moves in upward direction,
the potential energy is increasing.
kinetic energy becomes zero at the maximum or at highest point. And
Yeah,
potential
and potential
energy,
energy is the highest at the highest point, right?
yes. So that is what was important, okay?
Got it.
Now let's understand spring. How and how, I mean, potential energy gets stored in it, how it converts kinetic energy into potential energy and things, okay? So let's say this
Okay.
is our spring and this is its natural length, okay? Let's say its natural length is L. So when you apply a force to this spring in leftward direction, it gets stretched, right? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Here the
it
force,
does.
external force is in this direction. So it made some displacement, right? Let's say the displacement is x. So as you can see here, the displacement is in this direction and force is also in this direction, right? This is external
Yeah,
force. Now when you, this we are compressing this spring, okay, not stretching it, sorry. So when you stretch the spring, that means we are applying the force in this direction. And here the displacement is, let's say, x2, which is also in this direction, right? This is external force, okay?
yeah.
Do you think there is another force, any other force involved in this phenomenon? So yes, when you stretch or compress the spring, let's say we are compressing the spring exerts the force in this direction. That force is called spring force, okay, or adjustment force. And that spring force is directly proportional to the displacement, okay, and it is
Sure.
given by minus kx, okay.
Okay.
So here if the
Yeah,
displacement was in this direction, force was in this direction, that's why it is negative, okay.
got it.
So whatever work we are doing on this spring, it gets stored in this spring as a potential energy, okay. So when you release this external force, you know that this spring will, I mean, attain its original position, right? Basically it moves
Yep.
back and forth. So this potential energy gets transformed into kinetic energy again. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Very good. So that is how a spring works. Okay.